Webel Review 2025 Pros and Cons Detailed Overview. You won't believe how advanced free trading platforms have become in 2025. Webel continues to lead with powerful tools for self-directed investors, but is it right for you? Webel offers commission-free trading for stocks, ETFs, and options. The platform features advanced charting, technical indicators, and paper trading to test strategies risk-free. The surprising truth is how professional the interface feels, even without paying a cent. Another advantage is extended trading hours, giving users more flexibility to react to market news. Most people get this wrong by assuming free platforms are basic. Webel rivals premium brokerages in functionality. However, there are downsides. Beginners may feel overwhelmed by the complex interface. Fractional shares and limited customer support for certain issues can also be frustrating. In conclusion, Webel is excellent for active traders and those who want data-driven insights. Beginners may need a learning period, but the platform offers immense value for anyone willing to explore its features in 2025.